Hello and welcome back to DNP Unplugged, the podcast that explores the good, the bad, and oh yes, even the ugly of DNP project implementation. In this episode, we're going to discuss the concept of gardening and the DNP project. You may have a few months before your DNP projects are approved for implementation, but now is the time to start planting those seeds early. Start talking about your project with staff, with your peers, with your colleagues, even your community members. Who are your stakeholders? These are the people that will become instrumental during your implementation process. As you plant seeds, you begin to gain a different perspective. These insights are helpful in expanding your overall perspective as you navigate through your project. In hindsight, this is probably one of the most important things I wish I would have done sooner than I actually did. I think the seeds that you're planting, they may bloom differently in different stages. During my project implementation, had I started to plant seeds early, I would have learned about the requirements needed before I submitted IRB. I also would have learned about some of the key workflow barriers that were essential to my overall implementation. Those seeds are important. Lastly, as you're navigating through your DMP project, make friends. Make friends in the industry, make friends with your stakeholders. These relationships you build during this stage of the process can be very beneficial during your overall implementation process. Maybe your project will focus on enhancing an order set within the Epic system. Well, you'll need to make friends with your EHR analyst and tech support to help achieve that goal. Or maybe you want to impact health policy. Now is a good time to make friends and build relationships with local politicians and potential constituents. It's not always about what you know. Sometimes it's simply who you know that can change the trajectory of your project. I hope this episode was helpful in understanding the importance of planting those seeds early for success. In our next episode, we're going to discuss the importance of assembling the right team. See you soon.